The Xfinity app allows you to easily manage your payment methods for your Xfinity services. You can add new payment methods, remove existing ones, and set up autopay. To get started, log into the Xfinity app using your Xfinity ID and password. Navigate to the account or billing section, then select payment methods. Make sure to have multi-factor authentication set up for enhanced security. This ensures that any changes to your payment information are protected. To add a payment method, select the Add Payment Method option and enter your credit debit card details, bank account information, or link a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. The app validates your entries in real time. To remove a payment method, select the method you wish to remove from the list and confirm. Be aware that removing a payment method used for autopay will require you to set up a new one to avoid service disruptions. To set up autopay, choose a default payment method and enable the autopay feature. This ensures your bill is paid automatically each month. You can adjust the timing of the payment as needed.